Hey guys, we are working on practice sheet 34. This first question has multiple parts to it. It says, a survey of how long does it take you to eat your breakfast has these results. And so this is our dot plot. What this is saying is, like this would represent minutes. 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people it took 5 minutes to eat their breakfast. 2 people it took 4 minutes. That's how we read this. 3 people, it took 9 minutes to eat their breakfast. So it says, what is the mode of the data? So the mode is going to be one of these numbers down here, the one that has the most dots on it. Which number down here has the most dots above it? Okay. What is the maximum value of the data? So maximum would mean, or again, looking at these numbers, but you have to make sure that they have dots over them. Okay. So if there was no dot here, if there was no dot there, then 11 would be the maximum. But since it's not, 12 is the maximum. What is the range? The range is the biggest number that has a dot over it minus the smallest number. Has nothing to do with the number of dots. As long as it has one dot, that's the largest value. This is the smallest value, and you subtract 12 minus 0. Median is a little trickier. Median would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 40 and mid is like middle. So I'm going to take half of 40. Half of 40, which is 20. So I'm counting 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This will be an easy one. This is going to be in the same column. I'm going to switch numbers so you can see, color so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So sometimes there is a single dot left. If we have an odd number, we'll have a single dot left. Otherwise, you take this number, which would be right here. That would be a 5. Okay, so 5 is the median. Okay, if it's between two, if it was between these two, for instance, it would be 4.5. Okay, now mean is a little harder to do. Okay, so you're gonna have some patience here. So basically, 6 people took 0 minutes to eat, so that's 0. 2 people took 1 minute to eat, so that's 2 times 1 is 2. That's a total of 2 minutes. 3 people took 2 minutes to eat, so that's 6. Okay, so you're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people took 3 minutes to eat. That's a total of 15 minutes. You're going to go all the way. You'll do 4, 5. We don't have to do these. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're going to do all those, okay? Then what you do is you're going to add the column. Whatever you get, you divide that by 40. That's how you find your mean. You add all the numbers and divide by how many numbers you have, okay? So we've been doing this, but we've never done it on a dot plot, okay? Okay, so Joshua won a laptop in a school raffle. The laptop screen measures 10 inches in height, 24 inches in width. That's what we see here. Find the diagonal. Hopefully you know this will be C, right? So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay. Number 3. A can of soup is a cylinder with a height of 12 with a radius of 4. Find the volume. So remember, we do our 5B method. Okay, I'll start you off. The formula chart says big B, H. Big B, which means area of the base of which is a circle. So I need to find area of a circle. So I would look at my formula chart and put the formula for area of a circle, plug the numbers in. I do note right here, this goes to the middle, so that is the radius. Okay? Hopefully you have your formula chart out while you're doing this. Okay, so here's something we really did not have much time to cover beforehand. So we're going to look at this. We're finding lateral and total surface area. Surface area of a prism. Lateral is pH, capital PH. The other one is pH plus 2B. So I'll talk about that. So lateral surface area is 2P. P meaning perimeter of the base. Then the total surface area is 2P plus 2B. I think I totally put that wrong. You're going to have, my brain is not working. I think it's P, where did it go? pH. Forgive me on that. I'm not remaking this video. I just put it wrong. My brain is not working. LSA. pH. I think I'm like jumping into this next thing. pH plus 2B. I think I'm already thinking of the two bases. This is total surface area. This is lateral surface area. Okay. P means perimeter. Perimeter of the base. The base is a triangular prism. That is the name of what you want the perimeter of. Okay. So perimeter, we add all the sides. 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is capital P. Okay. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 5 is 12. Now the height will connect those two. So that's going to be 6. I cannot talk today. So 3 plus 4 plus 5, 7 plus 5, again, is 12 times 6. 6 connects the two bases, the two triangles. Okay? So again, for total surface area, you still do the same thing. By the way, lateral is going to go here. I would still do 12 times 6 plus 2, big B. Big B means area of the base. So I need area of the triangle. Triangle. Half BH. Okay. Okay, so half BH. So that would mean half 4 and 3 because that's the right angle. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this. This is pH, perimeter of the base times the height, plus 2 big B. I'm adding the two bases on. Last year we did this all by hand. Okay, so I'm just going to pull this down. Half times 4 times 3. So when you enter all of this into your calculator, that's going to be your total surface area. Okay? And the last question, which we've been struggling with. I'm almost positive that I made this where it's going to work out to be not an ugly number. Okay? We have our equation. What I would do is I would look at those x's. So I'm going to move this one. I would do minus 2x. Why am I doing that? Because this way my x will be positive. Okay, right here, we want to cross that out. Okay, this is going away. Remember, that goes to 0. So 7x minus 2x is 5x minus 17. Over on the right side, I have 23. That did not get crossed out, and minus 10. That did not get crossed out. So here's what I would do, and I'm going to let you finish this up. I would subtract that. Then you can worry about moving the 17 to the right side.